Welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to have you guys here today. I am doing something that I haven't done in so long, but I am so excited to do. Today we are doing a giant Fabletics haul. You guys know I love Fabletics. They're actually sponsoring this video. I've had the pleasure of working with them for the past year, and I'm so excited to show you guys what's new for their January collection. I swear I say this every single month, but every single month tops the previous month, so I'm always so impressed. Whoever the designers are at Fabletics, you're just amazing, and I don't know how you continually design new stuff every single month and like it's still so cute but new and different. If you guys are looking for like new cute athleisure or workout wear or just stuff to change into to get out of your pajamas so you don't feel like you are sitting in your bed all day in your pajamas, then this is the perfect video for you. I honestly haven't even been wearing normal outfits. I just wear my Fabletics stuff all the time, and you guys always ask me where I get my sweats and leggings and cute little shirts, so they're probably from Fabletics. I'm gonna go get the stuff. We have so much cute stuff. It's kind of unreal. Oh, this is also going to be a try-on haul. One of the cool things that Fabletics is doing this year is that instead of just dropping all of their new stuff at the beginning of the month, they're going to start dropping it every single week. So every Thursday there'll be new stuff released, which is really awesome because otherwise like everything sells out at the beginning of the month, but now you guys can shop all the way through. First outfit we have here is one of my favorites. We got this adorable green sports bra. It has tons of little crisscrosses on the back. This is the Ella Sculpt Knit bra, and I have not seen this style from Fabletics before, but it's really cute. The Sculpt Knit fabric is one of my favorites ever. It's paired with these nice long black leggings. They're the high-waisted Sculpt Knit classic leggings. Sometimes I will size up in their Sculpt Knit stuff. This outfit gets paired with this really cute black crop. It's so soft and really comfortable. Very excited to wear this, and I love the olive and black color combo. These are the Oasis high-waisted pocket 7/8 leggings. Any of the Oasis leggings that you guys get are super soft. Like they just feel like very velvety and creamy. So these are in a nice oatmeal color, and of course they have the pocket on the side. You guys know I swear by the pocket on the side, because if I ever want to like go for a walk or I'm going to the grocery store and I don't want to be carrying like a purse or I don't have any pockets, I can just slip my phone right here in my pocket, which is awesome. This goes with this really cute teal bralette. This is one of my favorite bralettes ever. I have it in an oatmeal color and a light pink color. I wear it all the time. You could wear it as a shirt, you could wear it as a bralette. On the back it has a little scoopy detail, which I think is super nice. This is the Blake long tee in this nice tan oatmeal color, and it's so soft. I also think this would just be really cute with jeans if I ever wear jeans again. Very soft for like everyday use, and again, you can go out in public and feel like you're wearing normal clothing but still be crazy comfortable. We have another really cute sports bra. This one has a little twist in the front, and then on the back it crisscrosses. I love their sports bras. I wear them all the time. I wear them skiing, I wear them when I work out, I wear them under normal clothing because they're just more comfortable. These are the leggings that go with it. Simple black leggings with the pocket, of course, but at the very bottom it actually has a peekaboo on the ankle. It matches the same little twist in the front that goes with the sports bra. And I love that their leggings are just not like every other thing that you've seen on the street. Like even a simple black legging can be really cute and be paired with a bunch of things, but it actually has details, which I think is what makes Fabletics different and special. Next outfit we have is this adorable army green and tan combo. We have these lovely leggings. In the back has this adorable crisscrossing detail. Perfect to wear with this top, which I'm actually wearing this exact top right now in the purple color. I have never seen this from Fabletics before, but I really hope that they keep making this in just every single color possible. I love this top. It is the perfect length, especially with all of their high-waisted stuff. I'm pretty sure it's called the Simone Midi bra. I double-checked the name for you. It is the Simone Sculpt Knit Midi bra. I'm wearing the one in purple, which is really cute, with these adorable leggings that are all speckled. This is another Sculpt Knit fabric. We have this really cute bra that's got little textured details. I love when the Sculpt Knit actually puts little patterns in their stuff. There's tons of little crisscrossy straps. Of course, we've got the matching Sculpt Knit high-waisted leggings to go with it. These have a nice detail just along the length of the pants, so all along the side you have just like a little bit of texture, which I think is super cute. If you have not tried the Sculpt Knit fabric, it's the Sculpt Knit Seamless and the Power Hold. Those are like my favorites of all time, but they're literally all amazing. I just really think that they're like unique fabrics that I've never worn a legging like that before. This next outfit is just like the epitome of a really cute set. We have this really fun orange creamsicle set. These are the seamless leggings. They are so stretchy. Their seamless fabric is more of a light compression. Feels like you're literally wearing your pajamas, but again, you look put together. The same Kinsley seamless bralette that I showed you guys in teal before now matches these pants. And then to go with it, we have this adorable half zip. This is the cat half zip pullover, and it's in this really cute dusty brown color. It's a nice like put together outfit without even having to try. I also want to show you guys this. It's a really cute bodysuit in that same dusty coral color. This is so cute. I'm actually going to try this on with jeans. People always think Fabletics is just athletic wear, but it's so much more than that. I genuinely will wear like my little Fabletics pullovers or crop tops with jeans and pull it together to be a full-blown outfit. I love that you can wear their clothes for more than just working out, which is amazing because let's be real, if you have an active lifestyle and are just running around, you just want to be comfortable and wear comfy clothes. You may not even be working out, and that's okay. Oh my god, we're down to our final outfits. So Katie's little sister Jamie is obsessed with purple, and I saw this outfit and I thought of her because I'm like, I need to branch out and start wearing some more colors. So I saw this purple color and these leggings that are so cute. I love that they have this detail with the dark plum against the light purple. There's tons of pockets per usual, but there's also a zipper pocket on these leggings, which is really awesome if you're ever going for a walk and you want to put your keys in here, something that you just really don't want to lose. These pants are also part of their cold weather collection, which is amazing. Basically, the inside of these pants are really soft and fuzzy, so they keep you really nice and warm. I actually wore the black version of these leggings skiing the other day, and I loved them. This is the Trinity High Impact Sports Bra. This is my friend Katie's favorite sports bra because I gave her an orange one and she wears it all the time. She loves it so much. So I love this combination. They had this paired with this orange thing, which was very bold for me. I was like, I don't know if I'd do this or if I would wear like this orange with some black pants. I think this is so cute. It's a waffle material half zip and it's got a hood on it. Yeah, this is the Lizzie half zip hoodie. Oh my god, I feel like this is something like Lizzie McGuire would wear. You know, like the little animated version of Lizzie McGuire who sits on her shoulder and tells her what to do. I feel like the animated Lizzie McGuire would wear this. I'm on the last two outfits. These next two things are a part of the Liza Koshy collection. I am a huge fan of Liza. I think she's just so amazing. Love her personality. So when she came out with a line for Fabletics, I was just like a little bit shook and super excited. Obviously, she has great style. She has great personality and her clothing has such good personality. I wore these yesterday. They're seamless leggings. At the very bottom, they have like a nice little black detail on the bottom with this little cutout, and they are so stretchy. You could literally sleep in these as pajamas if you're just too lazy to change out of them. And they go great with this top, which is literally so cute. Green and black with like a little collared neck, and it gets better because they have a jacket that matches as well. I love their crop jackets because I just think a crop jacket is so cute with high-waisted leggings. So this is a green cropped zipper jacket. Liza, you did well. I'm very impressed with your collection. She must love green because also from her collection I picked out this adorable puffy jacket. This is called the Jean Convertible Puffer Coat. So it basically converts from being like a long puffer to like a little cropped short puffer. You guys know as an Oregonian, I have always said you need a long coat that covers your butt if you really want to stay warm. What I think is so great is like you also have the option to make it a puffer if it is warmer, because today it's like 55 degrees. We're putting her on. She's just like the fluffiest, warmest parka I have ever experienced. You can go all the way down past your butt, or you can unzip her right here all the way around, and boom, you have a cropped puffer jacket. It's so genius. This is amazing. So that is everything that I got. Be sure to click the link in my description box down below to check out Fabletics. You can sign up to become a VIP member, which is how you get the best deal. You get 2 pairs of bottoms for $24 plus 50% off the rest of your order plus free shipping. There's no cost to join the membership and there's no pressure to shop every month. This year, when you're a VIP member at Fabletics, you actually get access to their Fabletics Fit app, which is a whole app that's designed with top-level instructors to give you guys workout ideas and inspiration to get active this year. Love this idea, especially with home workouts. If you guys get bored with workouts like I do, this is going to be a great solution to your problems. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of the app right here so you guys can see what it's all about. Today's question of the day is going to be, what was your favorite outfit that I showed you guys in this video? I want to know down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you so crazy much. I hope you have a wonderful, productive day, or a lazy day if that's what you need in your life too. Peace out. Legend has it I'm still wearing this coat.
I won't worry that I'm crazy, 'cause if it's all true, well, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said